Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is this boy right here, Arif Kareem. So the screencast is on MM34, average value. Um, to start off, we're going to be finding, for question 1, find the average value of the function f on a given interval. I did part A, B, and C. I'll go over A and then I'll do D right now. So I start off by writing the general equation. Big A equals 1 over b minus small a, integral sign a to b, f of x dx. Plugged in the values, I got 1 over 3, 0, 0 to 3, put f of x right here, and which is x squared minus 2x dx equals 1 over 3, took the antiderivative of f of x, which is x cubed over 3 minus x squared, line 0 to 3, plugged in the values, got 1 over 3, 9 minus 9 equals 0. Now for part D. So I'm going to start off by writing down the equation. A equals 1 over b minus a, integral sign a to b, f of x dx. Plug in the values, so 1 over 4, integral sign a to b, f of x, that's basically this, dx. So now I'm just gonna leave this alone, find the antiderivative of f of x. So 1 over 4, negative 1 over x. I think that's the antiderivative. Put a line right here. 1, 2, 5. Now I'm just finished doing the work right here. So 1 over 4. I'm basically going to be plugging the value, so b minus a, so negative 1 over 5 minus plus, just becomes a plus because minus 1 plus 1. I'm just going to write 5 over 5. So this becomes 1 over 4. This is 4 over 5. You multiply them out and you get 1 over 5. And that's your answer. Yay! So, question 2. Find the value of c guaranteed by mean value theorem for integrals. I did part A. I'm not sure if this is correct. If it's not correct, Frida will probably correct me and go over my mistakes. So a general equation for this is f of c equals this stuff. A to b, f of x dx, all over b minus a. So I put f of c right here. I'm assuming f of c is this in terms of c, so I put 4 minus c squared equals, I plugged in the values for this, all over 2, because 2 minus 0 is 2. Did the work down here. So I found the antiderivative of this. Antiderivative is boom, right here. This is the antiderivative, 4x minus xq over 3, 2, 0, 2, 2, or 2, 2, 0, who cares? Yeah, so I plugged in the values 2, I plugged the values 2 and 0. You get 8 minus 8 over 3 all over 2. I think that's what you get. I'm too sleepy right now. So I'm trying to take away the 4 here from here and here. So minus 4, you get 32 over 3 minus 12 over 3 equals 20 over 3. So negative c squared equals 20 over 3. You don't want the squared, so you take square root of both sides. You get negative c equals square root of 20 over 3. You don't want the negative, so you bring the negative over here. C equals negative square root of 20 over 3. Bam. It's probably incorrect too. Anyway, there was one more part to the MMM34. I don't know if I was supposed to do that. That's the second fundamental theorem of calculus. So the second fundamental theorem of calculus is basically this. I didn't understand quite properly. To me, it seemed like a normal derivative, but I'm pretty sure there's more to it. So f of x equals a to x, where a is a constant, f of t dt, and that's basically, so we take f prime. When doing the second fundamental theorem of calculus, you're basically taking the derivative, in my opinion. So you take f prime x, and that equals this thing right here, a small f of x, but you just switch the t with x. And at each point I, where f prime x is the derivative of f of x. So I just looked for an example online. Here's one I found. This is the question: d over dx 5 to the x squared, square root of 1 plus t squared dt. They did u substitution, I think, because you cannot have an x squared, so instead of having x squared right here, they put u. So after doing u substitution, you get y equals 5 to u square root of 1 plus t squared dt. Sorry for the bad handwriting. Somehow they get to here. The t switched to the u. And 2x, I'm assuming, comes from this because the derivative of x squared is 2x. So you multiply them together, you get 2x times square root of 1 plus x plus 4, because you plug in the x back into the u. And since u was x squared, the u squared becomes x to the 4. Again, I'm not sure if I was supposed to do this for MM34 because it wasn't listed in my whatever that spreadsheet was. If I made any mistakes, Mr. Frida will correct me. Thank you for listening, and bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum.